Hi, Kevin here from C3. Today we're going to be installing foot pegs on our 2020 SXF 450 that we've got from RTR Performance. We're going to put an orange set on, and it's only going to take a few minutes here, so let's get at it. So we're just going to remove the frame guard here. We got a couple bolts that we already got taken out, zip ties, and then you just got to pull out the stock cotter key, and in the end we have something new called a roux clip, which is a lot easier to put in and take out and reuse. So we'll show you how that goes in at the end. Now that the pin's out, you just grab your new C3 foot peg. It helps if you get the pin started in there first. Okay, on the KTMs, the spring is really hard to get in, just like it is on the stock pegs, but even a little harder on ours. Just basically, if you start pushing it in there, and then as you tip the peg up a little bit, it helps trap it, and you just push it down a little further, and then you should be able to get the pin in. So this is the roux clip that we use. It's just a different type of cotter pin. So you just push it through, and then afterwards there's just a little locking sequence that locks it in there and makes it so it'll never fall out. But it's super easy to take out when you want it to. So just watch this. So you just have to move the wire from one side to the other. So that's how we install the C3 foot pegs. Hope you get many years of good use out of them. They're the best peg on the market, snow free, there'll be no ice buildup on them, and we'll talk about the tech in these pegs in another video. Thanks.